In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a form on Quizify as a complete beginner. First thing you want to do is go onto quizify.io. Once on quizify.io, you're going to tap on Get Started for free. From there, you'll be able to create an account using your email address. Once you have created your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. From here, you're going to tap on Funnel Builder from the top navigation bar. Then you're going to be selecting New Funnel. And we're going to tap on Start from Scratch. Keep in mind you're given 4 options, but to use those options you will need to be on the paid plan. Since we are using the free plan, which I advise you use to test it out, we're just going to tap on Start from Scratch. And since we want to create a form, we're going to tap on Form. But if it is a case that we wanted to create a quiz or a survey, we could also do that. Once you have tapped on Form, you'll be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option. The first option you have is the funnel builder, but if we were to scroll down and for example tap on design settings, this is where you'll be able to customize your form. So for example sake, you can tap on general, and if it's the case that you like to add your brand logo, you can do that. You could tap on upload image, and once you're on the paid plan, you can do that. You can also change the theme. As you can see right here, there are different themes that you can choose from. So you could select one of these themes to use. But again, majority of them, you'll need to be on the paid plan, but you can play around with it. And you can see which one you'll be given access to on the free plan. But this is how you'll be able to change the design. Now to create your form, you're going to tap on Funnel Builder at the top left-hand corner. Then from there, you can choose if you like to have an intro page. You could toggle on intro page. So this would basically be the cover page, and you can tap on it. And from there, you'll be able to edit the intro page. So for example, I'll say, welcome to my quiz. Or better yet, welcome to my form. After you have done that, you could put in a quick description. Then from there, if it is a case that you would like to change anything else, you can do that. You can also put in a video if you want. And we're just going to tap on save. After you have saved it, you're going to tap on next. And this is where you'll be able to add your questions. So you can see right here, question type. You can choose whether it is a single selection, multiple selection, a yes or no, range slider. There are numerous options you can choose from right there. So let's say, for example, we'll keep it at to answer. And then from there, we're just going to put in the question. So for example, let's say, what day follows Monday? After you have done that, you can put in a question description, and you could also upload a question image. Scrolling down, you can see different options that you can customize. If you like to make the question required, you can do that. You can also change the answer layout, as you can see right here. Now we're just going to be adding in some answers. So for example, say the first option will be Sunday. And after doing that, you're going to put in answer 2. And let's say answer 2 will be Tuesday. After you have done that, you can add in more answers if you want. Then we're just going to tap on save. After you have saved it, you're going to tap on next. And by the way, you could add more questions if you want by tapping on add new question in the top right hand corner. You're just going to tap on next. Once you have tapped on next, you can see right here, you can collect your user information, for example, name, email address, and phone number by toggling that on. Also scrolling down, you can see the layout of how it will look, and you'll tap on save. Then you're going to tap on next once more. After you have tapped on next, if it is a case that you would like to redirect persons once they're finished answering the question, you like to redirect them to a particular URL, you can toggle this on, and you could paste in the URL that you like to redirect persons to. If you like to offer them a discount code, you could toggle this on and you could offer them a discount code. Once you're finished, you'll tap on next once more. And this is where you'll be able to edit your thank you page. So this is the page that they'll see once they have completed the form. You can edit it and make any changes that you want. Once we're finished, we'll select next once more. And this is where you'll be able to set up the logic. So for example, let's say when they answer a particular question, you like to redirect them to a particular page. And once they answer the question wrong, you like to just end it right there. You can select the question. Then from there you can select has a value of, so let's say for example the correct answer method, and you can choose the correct answer, so let's say for example Tuesday. Then you could select the action if you would like to, for example, jump to, for example, a particular audience, or if you like to hide a slide, or if you like to end the funnel right there. You can see different options that you can choose from, or if you can see them right there, so we can select that. So let's say for example hide slide, you could select that and you could hide a particular next slide, or we could just select end funnel and we'll tap on save. So you can see right there, if they were to answer Tuesday, it would end the funnel. If they were to answer Monday, it would continue. So if we added more questions, it would continue it. So that's how you'll be able to set up the logic flow. Once you're finished and it is to your liking, you'll tap on next once more. After you have done that, if it is a case that you would like to get an email notification for funnel subscription, you can toggle that on and you can save it. So there are different options that you can add. Then you will tap on next and from there you will see the different integrations. Once you're finished, we're just going to tap on preview and you can see how it looks. So you can see it right there. Then they'll tap on start funnel and from there they'll be able to answer the question. And then they'll be able to fill in their information and select submit. To publish it, you'll tap on publish from the left hand menu option. Then you'll toggle on funnel visibility. After toggling on funnel visibility, from here you can choose to either embed it. So you could copy the embed code. You can also embed it as a pop-up. You could also share the link if you want. So we could tap right here and you can see how it would look. As you can see right there. That's how it would look. And if it is a case that you would like to download the QR code, you can download the QR code. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down below and thank you for watching.